Hi
Hello.
Marlo, welcome back again.
I'm back.
Ang
Kumusta
favorite
guys?
nating co-host.
Tama. Sana buhay pa kayo guys. You got this.
Buhay na buhay at mukhang pasada na sila sa board exam.
Deserve.
Oh my gosh. So for this week's special episode, we're gonna be talking about what is next after the boards. And gusto namin kayo ilagay sa energy na I am not waiting. I am actually preparing for what's next in my career. And
Tama
it
nga. Tapos na. Eto na
tapos
yon.
na.
Nangyari na.
Nangyari na. Antay na lang na oath taking. Prepare na lang ng OOTD for oath taking. So that is the vibe. Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connection so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your mindset magic muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in. So, let us start. And for context, most of these questions ay galing rin sa ilan sa inyo very confident about your board's preparation. So, thank you so much for giving us an idea na etong effort namin, it's working and it's brought you here. All right. So, start tayo.
Game.
I'll run through their questions, Marlo. So first one is, kamusta daw yung naging mindset mo after finishing the boards? Oh, okay.
Ooh. After finishing the boards, like, after yung mismong boards, no?
Yes, I guess we can give them after ng mismong boards, tapos nung after nag-ano na, lumabas na yung
Nag-announce
results.
na ng results. Okay. Mindset,
Yes.
right? Oh, it was
Mm-mm.
wild. Like, after the board exam was just a huge sigh of relief. That was the first feeling that I felt. Talagang, lahat ng, alam mo yung lahat ng sakit ng shoulders ko, lahat ng back pain ko, buong araw kan nakatayo sa third day. Diyos ko.
Oo
As in,
nga.
feeling ko nauga at na unti-unti siyang nawawala. Yun. Pero, energy-wise, I was on a high. It
Ah.
was a high feeling na parang, siya natapos na, okay na. Ang dami ko nang gustong gawin. Alam mo yon yung parang, yung mga linista ko nung pre-board exam na parang, ha, ang hirap-hirap na dinadaanan ko ngayon. After ng board exam na to, deserve ko yun na. For me, it was video games. Like, the day after, oh my God, the whole night, I was with my video games for the whole night. I explored the whole continent na na-miss out ko for the past 3 months. As in, binuhos ko lahat. But post-board exam is like so far the best feeling. Kasi, grabe, you did your best eh. You know that you did your best. You're just waiting for the results. Yon. Yung first few days lang yon. Para siyang
May
ano eh, scale. Parang may
yeah.
scale to, guys. No? So, for the first few days, papunta siya sa results mismo. The first few days, ayan, buhos-buhos na. Chumichibog na yan, nagsasamji na yan, nakakapag-Starbucks. Ang mga hindi nyo nagawa.
Celebrate.
Nung, oo, grabe na yung celebration. After nun, papuntang gitna, parang, okay, naubos na agad yung high. Parang, okay na. Nakapag-celebrate na ako, nakain ko na yung gusto kong kainin, nalaro ko na yung mga gusto kong laruin, nagawa ko na ang mga dapat kong gawin. Hala, ang tagal pala ng results? 20 days ba? Or 13 days?
Roughly, oo.
Working days 13, pero parang 2 weeks yun eh.
Or more, no?
Or
Almost
more.
2 weeks.
Yeah, around 20 days yung
Tagal.
tansya ko eh. If that was July 3, it like came out 20. July 20 plus.
Mm.
So habang papalapit siya ng papalapit, paubos na ng paubos yung butterflies in my stomach. Naubos na din sila.
Naubos pala
Nakakain na,
yun.
nabusog na rin sila. Oo, naubos pala sila. At nagugulat ako na parang, grabe na yung refresh ko sa ano. Nung una parang, okay, tingin lang tayo sa website ng PRC. Tingin lang.
Refresh.
Ganyan. Oo, parang after 3 days nun, mga 8 days before, parang, thrice a day na ako tumitingin. Parang 2 days before, every hour tumitingin ako, kinakabahan, hindi
It's a
mapakali,
fish.
like, nagdadasal na, alam mo yon yung from that high, nandun ka na bigla sa ba ako? Oh no,
Mm.
nasan na, ano nangyayari? You're in that limbo of like, questioning, thoughts drowning here and there. Parang, anong mangyayari? It's so uncertain eh. Para kayo naghihintay ng election results, if I could,
Ah,
with that
oh,
analogy, or naghihintay kayo ng main opera kayong kamag-anak, naghihintay kayo ng results ng operation, nasa labas kayo ng emergency room. Ganong
grabe.
feeling ng kaba,
Intense. Oo.
diba? Sobrang intense. And papalapit na ng papalapit yung araw na yon, lumalala yung kaba. It
Mm,
came to the point that nahirapan akong mag-focus sa work. I was working back then. And parang
Grabe.
dalawa yung tab ko. Yung isa nasa Pinterest, naghahanap naman. Yung isa nandun sa PIC.
Isa nagsasort, isa naghihintay.
Parang, naghihintay. Grabe yung anxiety at that point. And sobrang lala nung day ng release ng results. Yun yung peak, no?
Mm.
I had the accountability na yung mga kasama ko sa work, binigay ko na yung cellphone ko. I think kami ni Jenna, binigay na namin yung cellphone namin.
Para di na
No?
kayo mag-check.
Para hindi na kami mag-check. Yeah. And I'm really happy and thankful na our company sa Sunny, no? Sa loob ng office, actually hindi sila kinakabahan. Pinapanood lang nila kaming natatawa. Parang, pero for them, na parang they're waiting for our success.
Oo, ang
So
ganda.
medyo na-balance out yung kaba. So medyo na-excite na din ng kumbaga na parang, hindi, tap yan, tap yan. Kahit parang ako, sure ba? Hindi, magtatap yan. Okay, papasa yan. At least, parang papunta ka na sa ganun, sa desperation. They were there to just really like appease us na parang,
Mm.
whatever happens, like, we've got your back. Hindi naman mag-iiba yung
Supportive.
opisina para sa inyo. Yeah, that support system was just so strong at our company and office at that day.
Mm.
Hanggang sa na-release yung results, that all the doubt turned into evidence na kaya ko pala. Na
Yes.
kinikilabutan ako just thinking about it.
Ako rin eh. Nag-goosebumps ako dun.
Oh
Grabe.
my
Ang
God.
vivid. Ang vivid ng feelings. Grabe.
Yeah. It was like a full circle moment nung parang dati umiiyak lang ako dahil stress. Ngayon umiiyak na ako dahil sobrang saya.
Mm.
Ang roller coaster pa lang now that I think about it. It was a
Yeah.
biglang high, tapos biglang low, tapos biglang balik na naman sa high. Ayun, that
Very
was a
life.
crazy
The
moment.
rhythm of life.
Yeah. It is. So I would suggest guys, once natapos, sana knowing this information, what's about to happen post board exam, meron na kayong napaplano dyan. Ano mangyayari? Para, okay. For first few moments, hahanap na ako accountability partner para i-remind sa akin na, okay lang yan. Parang ganun. Okay lang, papalapit na pero hinga-hinga. Yan. Okay to celebrate my success with me. Having people surround you, just
Yeah.
being there with you, witnessing you, sobrang laking tulong sa journey na yun. Ng waiting. The waiting game.
Oo.
Kumbaga, I call it the waiting game.
Totoo. You'll remember na, oo nga no, I did the best that I can and everyone here saw that. I just have to
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah,
ganda.
and it's just so good that the people surrounding you wouldn't let you drown in whatever thoughts or feelings you are in. They ground you na, hoy, okay lang yan. Kain muna tayo sa labas. Gusto mo para matanggal yung words,
Oo,
results sa utak mo. Mga ganon.
galing.
Yun.
Tapos parang cherry on top na lang talaga yung results.
Mm-mm.
No?
My God.
Oh my God. Sobrang lucky ni Marlo sa workplace niya rin. So, I hope you
I love
guys,
them.
di ba,
Yeah.
find something like that too, that aligns with you, that celebrates you. And on that, ang tanong nila, paano daw ba
Hmm.
makakahanap ng opportunity after the exam? So, I guess like work, job hunting na to or something. May mga tips daw ba on how to look for a good company, a good firm?
Oh, ayan na eh. How to look for a good company, good firm. I'm assuming na after OTing na to.
Oo, or baka, oo nga, or after
Oo.
results before oath-taking. Di ba
After
may,
results, no?
oo,
Oo. Wag kayo maghanap between waiting. Medyo fluctuating yung emotions natin habang naghihintay, guys. The anxiety, the doubt, the high,
after
ewan ko,
results.
halo-halo na yan. So, I suggest, after ng results, you'll
Okay,
know what to do after the results. So, just wait.
noted.
Kapit. Yun. Your next steps will be clear after the results. Now, looking for a firm, I suggest looking inside you first. Yan eh.
Of
Mamadali
course.
tayong tumingin lagi ng ano eh, ng external
Labas.
validation or ng
Oo.
external, ng mga flashy stuff na, oh, I wanna be in this big company. I wanna be in this shiny company. Di
Yes.
ba? Parang we're too caught up in that layer of searching that we forget na, oh nga, ano bang gusto kong mangyari? Okay? Gusto ko ba ng experience?
Yes, true.
Do I want to work in a very prestigious company for, I don't know, the experience lang? Pampaano lang? Kumbaga, pampadagdag lang sa
Portfolio.
resume.
Yes.
Pang portfolio.
Mm.
Dagdag sa portfolio. Pero, do I want to be with a very close mentor? So, I would be applying for a smaller company, not the bigger ones. Kasi sa bigger ones, we know that medyo may ladder dyan. No?
Mm.
So, sa smaller company naman, am I ready to like face na this is small, na baka, hala, di kilala, baka maano ako ng mga, saan ka nagtatrabaho? Ah, saan yan? Parang ganon, hindi siya flashy, ganon. No. So, first, again, know your intention for applying. No. Dito kasi nagkakaroon lagi ng mismatch na,
That's
hala,
true.
ang dami palang ginagawa dito. Ay ba yan?
Hindi ko pa
Pero at the same time,
nag-start.
ginusto mo naman yun. Oo nga eh. Parang hindi ko pala bet dito. Kasi you were just after the bling blings, the shiny stuff, no? So, when filtering your companies, really know your intention. Is my intention to design? Yun din eh. To design.
That's
Kasi
true.
interior design is not just about like designing from start to finish. It's also about project managing. Do
Yes,
I want to
our
project
project manager
manage?
in the
Yeah,
house.
it's me. Me, do I want to project manage? Or do I want to set up a firm one day?
Hmm.
No, and manage the whole team? Or do I want to be part of the legwork na parang I wanna do the technical drawings lang? No? I
Ah,
wanna do design lang. I want to do FF&E lang. Namimili lang ng furniture. Dito ako magaling.
mm.
Yun. At the same time, once you filter that, your role, ano kayang role yung hahanapin ko sa company? Baka kasi iniisip ng mga tao na interior design parang, okay, interior designer ka. Interior designer ka. There's a difference between interior designer na nagde-design, interior designer na nagte-technical drawings. I think you know this, Mika, no? Ang daming
Yeah.
roles sa interior design.
Oo.
Like, akala natin
So
parang
broad.
package na siya agad, no? Yeah.
Mhm.
No, so there are a lot of specifics that go into that. And looking into your specific role will help a lot and save you a lot of emotional bandwidth when you apply for the company. Okay, so yun muna, introspect muna. Okay, as a designer, probably gusto kong mag-design. Ako noon, gusto ko maging technical dun sa CAD.
Ah, very
I
Marlo.
made that clear, yeah. CAD, SketchUp, those kind of things, the technical construction side. No. So once you get to know that, your next goal niyan is to ay, by the way, baka kasi, hindi ko pa sure anong gusto kong specialization. At puro specialization. Di ba
Oo,
pwedeng
may mga ganyan.
try
Shifran
muna,
muna,
no?
oo.
And you set that as your intention. Your intention is to try. So,
Mm.
hindi na kayo masyashock if bigla kayong dinala sa, gumawa ka ng FF&E. Tapos parang, hindi ako marunong ganyan. Be, gusto mong mag-try, di ba? O, try mo
Hindi mo alam
muna.
yung gusto mo pa nung una eh.
Oo. Oo, hindi ko pa naman gusto. So, try mo
Explore.
muna. Give it a shot. Explore. No, if you're at that stage. But if you're sure already of the specialty, then go. Say that sa interview pa lang. Okay. Now that na malinaw na sa intention mo, malinaw na yung
Yeah,
role na gusto mong puntahan, or hindi ka pa malinaw sa role na gusto mong puntahan and you just wanna explore, that's when you'll know which company to go. Filter
ganda.
out mo na, di ba? Filter out mo na, okay, this company specializes in developmental design. Mga design ng condos, condo units na madamihan, ganon. So, probably, yung ginagawa nila is kasi mabilisan na designing, na technical work.
Mm.
Okay, kung dun ka naman papunta at gusto mo sa mga condo units, edi go. There are also other companies that specializes in hospitality design. Dito, mas free ka mag-design ng ng interiors.
Luxurious things. So,
Oo, mas luxurious things. No? Pero kung wala naman dun yung puso mo, syempre, hindi mo yung pipiliin. Okay, those are sa mga big companies, no? Smaller companies naman, I would say they're harder to like see kung anong nangyayari sa loob. So really check into them,
totoo.
no?
Oo nga.
You
Yung
wouldn't know
culture
really what's
kasi
happening
na,
inside it. Yeah, yung culture. So,
mm,
ang best side naman sa smaller companies is yung culture. No.
kaya actually.
Mas, siguro, I'm biased sa smaller company because I came from a smaller company. At nag-top naman, guys. So,
Oo,
So,
supported
huwag yung
naman sila.
minamaliit ang mga smaller companies. Very supported. Ayun. Smaller companies kasi have, again, a smaller group. First name basis tayo dito. Kilala ako ni boss. Ganon. So, kilala niya kasi Marlo. Bigger companies kasi, siguro they would know you by name, but they don't know you by
Ah,
as a friend. Ganon. They would see you
yeah.
as, yung taga-CAD ko.
As
Ganon.
staff. Oh,
As staff. Yung staff ko yan. Ganyan. And bigger companies sa sobrang established and big na.
my God.
Sino ka ba naman, di ba? Manliliit ka, parang ano, baka bigla kang ipagtimpla ng kape. So, yan, mga horror stories na naririnig natin. So, ayan. Again, for smaller companies, mas tightly knit yung network sa loob. You would know what's happening inside. I would say a downside would be, it's not what you think na mga carpeted flooring and everything. They're just starting out. No. And at the same time,
That's
the systems I would say aren't that bureaucratic
polished
unlike
yet.
yung or polished, yeah. I would say polished na unlike sa mga bigger companies na sobrang detailed na ng step-by-step process nila.
Bible na.
Okay? Yeah, sobrang
Oo.
Bible na you would know what to do next. But at the same time, given that kind of dynamics, since hindi systemic or may system in place naman, pero may uh, room for pag-aayos pa. Parang may ambag ka, kumbaga, no? So you can really dip your toes into saying na, medyo nahihirapan ako sa part na to. Can we like change this part of our process? Kasi sa bigger companies, wala ka ng, parang mahina ka na. Hindi mo na siya
Wala kang
masasabi na,
say.
oh, wala kang say. Parang, ano ginagawa na namin to for the past 50 years. Anong pinagsasabi mo dyan na hindi gumagana yung sistema namin? Ganun. Ayan, so that's a big main differences between
Anong di
big
mo
and
gusto?
small companies. Another thing to look into, aside sa mga specializations nila, no, is if
Yes.
you want to explore, depende pa rin naman yan sa exploration mo, no? If you wanna explore on higher end clients, if you're
Ah,
into that,
mm,
of course, you would go to firms that align to that goal, no? Ang sigurong tricky dito is to search for the firms. Hindi nyo naman
totoo.
siguro isa-search high-end interior design firms in the Philippines.
Hindi lahat kasi may online presence,
Oo,
di
ay
ba?
online presence.
Kasi,
Exactly.
mm,
Yeah. So, ngayon na classify na natin lahat ng mga firms na to, it's searching naman yung next step mo. Okay, so I wanna go into a big firm kasi gusto ko may structure na ayoko na mag-isip, ayoko na wala lang. Gusto ko, okay na, malinis na, go na. Yan. Ang next step ko is not directly go to the internet, but go to your networks.
yes, correct. Oo,
Yes.
tama yan.
Networks, and I'm really blessed na network yung una kong nakausap.
Oo nga, no?
Hindi lang ako nag-random search sa internet. Das dart na lang na parang, okay, ito,
Oo,
dito tumuro yung daliri ko, ito yung pipiliin ko. So,
ang
meron akong
galing.
real life basis na parang, kumusta sa company na to? Or, are you working na sa mga alumni namin? Are you working na? Like, anong masasuggest mo na company, ganyan, ganyan. And usually sila, meron na silang network din at
Listed
napag-applyan
na.
na. Parang, you would be lucky if this person already applied sa tatlong companies. Sa alumni mo, no? Pwede rin sa professors if you're not really close that much sa alumni. Professors would also help, pero I really highly encourage alumni and friends. You're in the
Tama,
same
kasi
field naman.
first hand
Marami kayong
experience.
magkakaklase dyan.
Oo,
Oo. Tsaka, on-hand experience to. Sa prof kasi baka medyo iffy pa silang magkwento. Nagkikwento sila very, lang, systematic lang na
pakonti-konti.
pagkasabi. Oo, konti lang. Pero kapag kaibigan mo or alumni, talagang raw thoughts to. Walang halong bola.
Totoo. And you get to
Real talk
decide
lang.
from there. Oo.
Yeah, and it will really help you decide.
Mm.
Yun. Aside from that, we're here. Kami ni
Tanungin niyo
Mika,
kami.
ayan.
Kaya may gano'n. Kaya nga may ganito.
Yeah. And sobrang, hindi ka naman nahihiya gaano makipag-usap sa strangers. You can ask also interior designers out there already. Maybe they could guide you.
Yeah, maybe
Okay.
they'll answer, 'di ba?
May answer, di ba? Mm.
They're just busy pero for sure kapag
Um,
ano yun, you'll get the
okay man
answer.
yung mga yun sumagot. Yeah.
Mm.
I've been a chairperson din kasi sa org. And whenever we invite alumni or like matanda na interior designer to speak for an event or to give us insights about the profession, they're like more than 100% willing to help.
Yes.
Busy yung mga to, pero like maliit lang yung community natin, guys. Parang isipin nyo nag-exam lang sa atin mga 200, 400.
Parang
Isipin lang
mas
yung mga
konti
dumadagdag na
this
interior
year.
designers. Oo. So, small world lang yan, guys. Small world lang yan.
That's
Ayun.
true.
So, okay, narinig mo na. Okay, may gusto ko yung step-by-step process ako. Narinig mo na yung sinabi ng mga alumni, you've
Step-by-step.
already heard thoughts, ganyan. Ang next mo na need alamin is proximity.
Yes.
Saan ba, no? Kasi I would understand if you're from, kunwari, very north or
Mm.
very south, na alam naman natin na mostly yung mga firms nasa Metro Manila. Like,
Yep.
mainit siya sa Metro Manila. So, most people would think na, oh, interior design is only at Manila. You're wrong,
Manila.
guys. No. We're here at Pampanga right now, yung Sunny.
Ay, oo nga.
Yeah, but we have, ang tawag dito, we have employees from and designers from Davao, Cavite, Bicol, mga places
Yes.
like ano. So, yeah, hindi lang sa Manila. Baka isipin nyo kasi mas Manila lahat. No, actually, Manila, mainit na yung competition dyan. Pero if taga Manila ka naman na, di ba? Diyan ka na rin. And mas madali actually maghanap ng tier design firm sa Manila kasi they're all
Mm.
around. Yeah, most of
That-
the sikat, I would say, are all in Manila. The
Center.
bigger, yeah, the bigger interior design firms are in Manila. But then again, you would also think of competition. Marami rin nag-a-apply dyan. Siyempre, naisip na namin lahat yon. I think naisip mo na rin yon na sa Manila ako mag-a-apply. So, naisip na natin lahat na 400 post-board exam takers yan. O, di ba? So, alam niyo na. Yan, no? So, I just don't want to box you na into saying na, sa Manila lahat, guys. No. Check into your
Yeah.
provinces. Kung you're in a province, you could check into there. Or if you're taga Manila and feeling mo medyo tight na nga yung competition, explore other companies outside. No? At I would say na it's daunting to like go out of your like
Try
original place.
ako.
Medyo, lalayo ako sa pamilya ko, ganyan, ganyan. Paano na, di ba? But then again, it would still align with your intention. Talaga. So if you really want to explore, the best place is like to go out there talaga.
That's true. Tsaka bagong ano, exposure rin to a new
Mm-mm.
environment.
So, a new environment.
Be
That's so
surprised.
true.
Mhm.
Yeah, you'll be surprised kung anong nagagawa ng bagong environment. Minsan hindi mo na makilala sarili mo dito. Iba ng personality po sa Manila versus sa province. Or the other
Tsaka,
way around, if taga-province ka naman sa Manila, di ba?
mm. Tsaka I
Yan,
remember,
proximity.
nakwento mo before na ang lalapit ng mga furniture suppliers, manufacturers,
Mm.
and
Oh
sa
yeah. Oh my God, thank you
Pampanga.
Mika for saying
Mm.
that. Yeah. Region 3,
Diba?
isipin ng mga tao, parang ano nangyayari dyan sa Region 3? Pero lahat ng I would say, halos lahat ng furniture
Yeah.
manufacturing firms ay nasa Pampanga. You supply your furniture here sa Pampanga.
It's
I would
bustling
say the same,
din.
oo. Di ba? It's bustling here, guys. Sa Cebu din, I would say sa Cebu din, mainit ang
Oh,
furniture manufacturing sa Cebu. And they have their own niches sa Cebu.
mm. So if
Yun.
anyone in the
So,
province, maximize nyo
yeah.
muna, I guess.
Yeah. And always look into your resources there sa province nyo. Baka sabihin nyo kasi, walang nangyayari dito. Hindi, baka meron, guys. Look into it muna bago kayo decide. Okay? So, location. That's location. Meron pa. Wow! Everything
Go!
to
I love
design.
the
Okay.
system.
Oo nga eh. Ang lala ng ano ko. Ganun yung thought process ko kasi. Okay.
Organize.
Okay, nakapag-decide na ako, ayoko muna lumayo sa pamilya ko. Oh, okay, gusto ko mag-explore, gusto ko ng bagong identity. Lalabas ako ng Manila. Lalabas ako ng probinsya. Yan. Okay, okay na ako doon. Next naman is culture.
Yeah.
Culture. It's always looked, I think sa Gen Z, ito na yung one of the priorities natin.
Oo,
Yung
big
culture.
priority.
Yeah, parang big priority na so lately yung culture. And mahirap i-gauge yung culture sa Facebook page at sa Instagram feed.
Oo, you have to experience it.
Yeah, you have to experience it. At the same time, you can ask those who've already experienced it. Hence me encouraging you to talk to alumni, to classmates na nakapagtrabaho na, to like individuals like professors or people in the internet that already work. Like, kaya kami nga ni Mika, ganyan, we already work. Alam na namin yan. Alam namin mga culture na yan. So,
Tsaka
yun.
hindi naman
Next.
yan,
Mm.
outwardly sasabihin ng iba. Hindi naman
Oh, no
explicit
one would
yan.
say naman about their culture. It's always an experience. No? Sa company namin, hindi ko rin masabi na we like show it talaga agad sa ano. But malakas yung sense of culture. Like, yun yung lagi naming inaano. Like, we put it out there that here at Sunny, ito yung culture namin. Yun na agad yung sinasabi namin sa mga tao when they apply in our company.
Baka biglang maraming nag-apply.
Oo nga eh, guys. Okay lang. Eh, kinabahan. Sorry po sa HR namin. Plug ko lang sa Ni-Design Collective, guys, no, sa Instagram, Facebook. Wow. Ayun,
So,
kasi, ang tawag dito, the culture will manifest sa interview pa lang, TBH.
mm, yes, I
Sa
agree.
interview pa lang. So, okay lang naman na you like, if hindi kayo talaga sure sa mga pinag-applyan nyo, take it to the next level hanggang sa interview. Doon yung magigauge yung culture. For sure, magkikwento naman yung mga yan ano nangyayari. Pero kung straight out tinanong ka lang, okay, anong experience mo? Okay, anong ginagawa mo? Okay, thank you. Medyo, hala, hindi mo lang siya nagtanong about me. Kung anong gusto kong mangyari sa buhay.
Oo.
Parang, parang halatang gagamitin lang ako nito. Alam mo yun?
Hello. Oo nga.
Parang,
That's
'di ba?
big.
So, yeah, and if hindi naman sila like nag-explicitly nagsabi, wag niyo naman silang i-shut down. You could directly ask them sa interview na, how's the work culture here? Oh, by the way, ano nga bang ginagawa niyo for wellness? What do you do for the growth of the employees? Kung saan, anong ganap dyan?
Yes.
Di ba? And actually, plus points yon
Be
sa HR,
assertive.
by the way. Yeah, kasi, oh, this person is curious about our culture. So, may ano din to. Like, two-way din yan eh. Kung yung tingin mo naman dun sa company ay kukuhanan mo lang ng pera or sweldo tapos uwi ka na, medyo red flag din yun sa company na yun. At the same time,
Ah,
yun din yung tinitignan natin sa company. Kung hindi lang naman ako gagamitin ito or something, diba? Let's just be real. Just wanna put it out there. Let's just be real, no? Uh, kami kasi, we really delve into our state. As a small company, we automatically, hindi ba automatically, we really say na, okay, ito yung office namin, di naman siya ganun kalakihan, gaya na dito mo sa Maynila. Hindi po to like centralized aircon, fully carpeted. Hindi po yung mga computer namin, saks lang naman. We provide laptops naman. We really do our best to like help you. We aren't that big, but we prioritize your growth here. Ganon. Wala man lang kaming carpeted office or centralized aircon. Meron naman kaming outing or benefits na sinishare namin sa mga tao like personal development, um, professional development. We look into those kind of things. No. We don't really look into your skill set. We're looking into kung ano yung pwede pa naming itulong sa inyo as people, as employees.
Grabe yung sa sinabi mo yung sa red flag pa lang. If interested ka rin ba
Mm.
sa company, parang transactional lang. Yung purpose
Oo,
mo
di
ba't
ba?
ka
Yun eh.
important. Oo, intention talaga rin.
Yung speaking of intention, no, Mika, and transactionality, parang I advise younger employees or yung mga bago pa lang na mag-apply, yung
Mm.
kakatapos lang ng board exam, kaka-graduate lang, to really tell their intention dun sa nag interview or dun sa company na
That's
pinag-a-applyan.
true.
Para
Be
lang malinaw.
honest.
Para lang malinaw tayo. Eh, hindi tayo nagkakapaan dito. Okay, ito po yung trajectory ko. Actually, gusto ko lang po i-explore kung sino ako as a designer.
Yeah,
Parang
actually
ganon.
they
Malinaw lang.
appreciate nga. Oo.
Yeah, they would appreciate that.
Kasi some companies, they look for those kasi na willing to grow with them, 'di ba? May gano'n.
Mm,
So it will help if good match kayo just by you being
yeah,
honest with what you want.
exactly. And I would go as far as telling them my growth map. Yeah, if
Mm.
you're familiar with the growth
Okay.
map. So
Oh,
parang, oh, this is me now, and this is what I want to be after.
yeah,
How can you
that's
help
true.
me achieve that?
Ang assertive, eh, 'no? Pero really guys, this is how you change
Yeah.
your career.
Mm. And as a professional, I mean, as an interior designer professional, as an IDR na yung title mo dyan,
License,
hindi
oo.
na tayo pwedeng ganun-ganun lang. May lisensya ka na, may ano ka na dyan, may say ka na.
Totoo.
You're, you're like a professional on record sa gobyerno natin. So
Own your
embody that, a
space.
professional. Yeah.
Own your suffix. 'Di lang suffix
Diba?
yan.
Exactly. So yeah, just be transparent with what you want, what you expect with the company, their work culture, and then that's when you'll say, okay, we're a match. Para lang
Yeah.
yung dating, guys. Kung paano kayo maghahanap ng kadate, ganun lang din yung paghahanap ng trabaho.
Gusto ko
Yun.
yun. Tsaka mas maganda experience niyo for sure kapag dinefine niyo
Mm,
kung ano talaga gusto niyong i-experience in the first place. Kasi
right.
minsan magugulat ka na lang na, "Ay parang lost na lang ako sa routine nito." And we don't
Right.
want that for you. Mm.
Di ba? Kaya ako laging linalatag na, okay, ito yung ginagawa sa big, ito yung ginagawa sa small companies, ito yung ginagawa sa specialization nila. But really, it just boils down to your intention.
Yes.
And I wish I had that advice dati. Kasi pumasok lang ako sa
Same.
trabaho ng, wala lang, okay, salta ako dyan, pinag-sketchup ako, pinag-CAD ako, di ko alam anong, okay, anong gagawin? Di ko alam anong gagawin ko sa buhay. Parang, okay, habang buhay na lang ba ako magka-CAD SketchUp? Ito na lang ba yun?
True.
Parang ganon.
Mga career defining moments talaga.
Yeah, I
After
wish I
that
really had that
words.
advice. Yeah,
Eto na, we're giving the advice we wish we had.
di ba?
Grabe. Thank you, Marlo, for very being step by step there. Grabe ang detailed, ah. That's so easy to
Ninaw, no?
follow. Wow. At dahil diyan, ang ating next is, dun tayo sa mga nag-a-aspire na, alam mo yon, ma-reassure na, okay, ID is for me. If hindi man enough yung validation ng boards. So let's remind them. Let's remind them. Grabe na, ang daming ano, inner workings ng nila.
Oo nga eh. Mindset,
We
mindset
love,
lang talaga, guys.
kaya nga eh. Kaya nga nandito yung naka-host eh, sa Mindset Magic. We asked for this. Okay. So, ito yung tanong nila. What makes interior design special daw? What makes it a good career? What is something that other people don't see about interior design? Wow. I love this.
Hmm.
I love this.
Ayun eh. Okay, I wanna speak personally this time. Something
Oh,
na hindi is process-oriented or logical.
oh, I love that.
Okay? So, I hope may mga matouch. Wow, keme. Back then, I saw interior design as something na, okay, design. Okay, may pera dyan. Hindi ko alam.
Yes.
I had no clear intention whatsoever. I just saw it as, okay, I design. Clients like it. Hooray! 'Di ba? Parang ganun lang. It's just a process of designing spaces.
Mhm.
Post-board exam and being a top-notcher, parang, oh, okay, ganito pala sa interior design, no? Tinamaan bigla ng reality. Reality hits, no? When I was a college student kasi, hindi ako blessed sa designing. Or I feel so. I just feel na hindi ako marunong mag-design, pangit yung plate score. Sakto lang yung plates ko. I mean, saktong pasado lang, di ba? Alam mo yun? Saktong naitatawid lang. No, ang importante sa akin is ma-submit on time yung plate. Uh, okay lang, basta hindi ako puyat. Then sakto lang.
Priority.
Tamang time management lang tsaka prioritization. Alam mo, hindi ko naman ito mapa-perfect. So, dun lang tayo sa 80 at least. Hindi naman ako puyat and everything. Tamang strategy lang, guys. No? Ayun yung strategy ko nung college. Tapos tamang org-org na lang. Bawi na lang tayo sa extracurricular.
Na-expose tayo.
Oo nga
Mga
eh. Ewan.
original.
Diyos ko po. Ayun, so going into the board exam, I really told myself na, okay, if pumasa ako sa board exam na to, baka interior design talaga ang para sa akin. Baka interior
Oh
designer
my
talaga ako. Mga
God!
ganong tanong eh. Yung mga ganong, oh, sige Lord, kung gusto mo akong maging interior designer, ipasa mo nga ako sa board exam. Ganon.
Hinamon.
Baka eto na pala yon. Baka validation lang pala kailangan ko na magaling ako mag-design. And then poof, pumasa, nag-top. No? I thought that was the clearest path that I had. Okay, interior design is for me. Then, suddenly, the Fire Nation na ta. Hindi naman. Sa work mo kasi marirealize na kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Parang that's when I realized, oh, okay, in retrospect, sa interior design board exam, sobrang nag-rely ako on strategy.
Hmm.
Yeah, I didn't feel na sa design ako nag-excel. Kasi design yung chunk ng board
Yeah,
exam, di
big
ba?
part. Mm.
So, it didn't really validate na, ay, ang galing ko pala mag-design. Hindi, parang, oh, ang galing ko pala mag-manage ng time at na itawid ko
Ay,
lahat
that's
ng
good.
academics. No? Na, wow, nahati ko yung ACADS na natulungan ako ng company ko sa pagde-design sa
Yes.
interior design part, prepared, nakapag-strategize kami ng techniques, etc. Ang na-realize ko is, wow, hindi ako nag-focus sa design part. I focused on the strategizing and managing part of it. And it showed, no? Ang pinaka na-enjoy ko while working as an interior designer, as a licensed interior designer, was like organizing our systems, our files.
Ayan na. Oo.
Right. Now, I'm also designing naman. Umaambag ako sa design. Nag-CAD ako. Nag-SketchUp ako. But what really mattered to me was delivering on time sa client.
Aw.
Coordinating yung mga dapat ma-coordinate, no? Ensuring that timelines are met. Yun
Mm.
yung nag-draw sa akin. And it clicked. Parang, okay. Yun pala yung ginawa ko sa boards. And yun din yung nakikita ko sa work ko ngayon. I enjoy organizing. I enjoy. Sa akin yung
Oo.
pagde-design, it doesn't spark that much joy into me. But seeing the clients enjoy the design itself, not because nag-design ako, but because we delivered.
Oh, ang ganda. Oo.
And okay yung pagka-construct na sabi ko kay Manong Carpentero na ganito siya ika-cut, ganito siya ididikit,
Kasunod.
na direct ko
Okay.
sila na maayos. Nasunod siya. Doon ako na nabuo siya.
Mm.
And I was already an interior designer at this point. But it felt like I didn't design. But still, the satisfaction was there.
Mm.
So I really want to debunk na you have to design in order to be an interior designer. Okay? Because having your interior designer intuition, having your interior design knowledge, wisdom is already a plus point in whatever field you are going into. So if you are into interior design firm, hindi lang siya sa pagde-design. Nasa pag-procure siya.
Yeah.
Nasa pakikipag-usap sa site. Nasa
Totoo.
pagpe-present sa client.
Relationships.
Relationships, no? It's a
Mm.
multifaceted discipline that lagi na lang natin ina-associate yung interior design sa pagde-design lang. Hindi lang siya yun, guys. No?
It's more.
You'll meet what type of interior design you are when you get into the workforce talaga. No? Passing is a cherry on top to it. For me, it was a validation na, okay, hindi pala yung design hanap ko. It's more on the
Oo.
operation side to it. It's more on the project management side to it. I thought I was like a bad interior designer because I can't design. But, oh my God, I use my interior design skills para matulungan sina Mamang Carpentero at Mamang Pintor na gawin ng tama at ma-execute yung design.
Yeah.
And
Mm.
that in itself, hindi pwedeng nasa plano lang eh. Magawa din siya in actuality. Whoa.
Mm.
That was a turning point for me. And right now, parang I always say that I'm also an interior designer who specializes in project management.
I love it!
Parang
Kinlaim niyo na
ganon. Claim ko
oo.
na. Akin na yon. And for those naman na feeling nila, hey, nakapag-boards naman na ako, pero parang hindi ko pa rin naman feel mag-design. Explore. Look into
Yeah.
the different facets of interior design. Don't
Ang
just
laki
like,
niyan.
hindi ako interior designer. Yeah, it's so broad. It's so expansive. Like, grabe. Ang daming palang parts ng interior design na na pwede kong puntahan. You're
Yes, na
not
hindi
just
pa
box.
oo, dami
Yeah,
pang
exactly.
untapped
And
potential diyan.
actually, ang daming untapped potential that you don't technically see, no? I know of interior designers who specialize in lighting design.
Yeah, mhm.
Sobrang niche ng lighting. Parang
Totoo.
tayo, lagay-lagay lang tayo ng pinlight dyan sa RCP, bahala na. Pero ito, they specialize in the art and
They
psychology of lighting.
design, oo.
Di ba? But they do that. And wild to, pero there's parang sa gaming, sa mga video games, they also consult
Ah,
interior
yes.
designers. Di ba? It's a multifaceted discipline. You can't like box yourself into this cookie cutter of an interior designer. No.
That's so true.
So, baka you could also like check into your habits sa buong board exam review. No. I know si Kay. Hi, Kay. Kay Picazo.
Shout out.
Top 3 ba si Kay? Not sure.
Yes, top 3.
Top 3. Yeah, top 3 si Kay. And I really saw her her passion in designing nung
Oo.
review season. Kasi talagang nag-focus siya dun sa, drawing mismo. Ang dami yung dinodrawing. Unlike me, sa ACADS ako nag-focus. Nag-drawing ako
Ah,
on the side, pero ako sa ACADS. So makikita mo yung ugali mo. Parang, sa IDLE pala, sa floor plans ako nagfo-focus. Nagfo-focus ako sa history, part ng review. Oh, actually, nag-enjoy ako sa rendering, sa visualization. Parang doon nagkaka-hints ka na kung saan ka papunta eh.
that's so true. Mm.
Yeah. And I feel like hindi ka naman magbo-boards kung mahina yung tingin mo sa ID in itself. Why would you undergo that journey, that hell of a journey? 'Di ba? If hindi ka naman naniniwala sa interior design as a profession. So I know you have it in there. You just really have to examine.
That's so true. Tapos I just want to echo na I hope your board exam journey becomes, a discovery of the unique flavor you bring into your kind of
Yes.
interior design, 'di ba?
Yeah, don't see it siguro as a pahirap lang, as a pasakit. No. I hope you see it beyond that. It's a trial period. Wow.
Oh my gosh, Marlo, when you said that, I remembered there was a feedback. Tapos sabi niya, thank you so much for the episodes because parang nahanap niya daw yung passion niya in interior design, na the boards is more than just taking the exam. So, di ba?
Right.
You succeeded there.
Right. Oh my
So,
God, yes. I'm so happy and glad and genuinely happy just hearing that.
so this heart that we put into it is, yun nga, we're glad na it's reaching you in ways na
Mm,
makes you appreciate interior design. Kasi the idea pa lang na you're investing your time in here, listening, getting as much help as you can, getting as much energy boost as you can, that's already a signal na, yeah, I really want this and I'm willing to learn how else I can be in this field. So, wow,
exactly.
super excited for
Pero,
you.
I just wanna put it out there, no?
Yeah.
Baka kasi people are thinking that, oh my God, it's all rainbows and butterflies, discovery, self-discovery. Guys, it's a tedious process. I wouldn't lie. I don't want to say that it's a beautiful, beautiful journey. It's a straight path. No, it's not. No? But I could say the same for all professions out there.
Yeah, that's important.
'Di
Oo.
ba? At some point, you would realize, is this really for me? Pagod na lang ako lagi. Pero when we think of it, oh my God, doctors work like 48 hours a day. Alam ko 24 hours lang. Pero on call sila every freaking day. Paano ba yun, di ba? Parang ano ba yung madaling profesyon, di ba?
Wala, guys.
So, wala naman. So, just putting it out there. No. It takes time bago tayo masanay into finding what sparks alignment for us. Alignment is another thing eh. Kasi baka you keep on doing things repeatedly pero hindi ka naman talaga masaya towards it. Kaya I really, really, really encourage intention setting.
It's gonna
Oh
be your
my God.
compass.
It's gonna be your compass just so
Ang
that
laki ng
you
tilt.
won't be lost. Yeah.
Oo.
And it's your compass din kung hanggang saan yung growth mo. No? Kung saan siya papunta.
Yes.
Just keep an open eye and mind. Eye and mind.
Yeah. And discern. Learn to discern. Guys.
Discern.
Mamaya sumabog lahat ng opportunities. Guys.
Totoo.
You know yourself best and what you want to, contribute to the profession and to explore for yourself. So let that be your guide.
Yes.
Grabe.
And just experience. The experience. Wow.
Trust the process.
Yeah. Trust the process. Wow. Napaka ano eh.
Pero totoo, kahit saan naman dalhin, that's gonna be a lesson that is true across all fields. So I hope,
Yep.
guys, you take this with you.
Really. Literally choose your tribe. Kung
Oo.
mahihirapan ka man, at least may kasama kang nahihirapan din. Kami.
And you can choose your hard. Basta make sure na you choose it, 'di ba? Hindi yung parang napilitan ka
Mm,
talaga.
napilitan ka. And if, at ano din, I don't know if you've heard this, parang if you don't choose, parang you're just in that limbo, the universe will choose for you. Huwag mo
Yeah,
nang hintayin
kasi
yon.
that's true. Because you're making a decision every time, consciously or unconsciously. So might as well
Hmm.
be conscious.
Be conscious na. Ikaw na mamili. If hindi ka sure, acknowledge, accept. Hindi pa ako sure, let's explore. At least you're in that
Yeah.
mindset of exploring at hindi ka pilit na pinapagawa to. Okay, I want to explore. So, okay lang. I'll do this. I'll do that.
Life hacks.
Yeah, life hacks. Parang hindi tayo sabay-sabay na loloka dito na parang, ba't ko nga ba ito ginagawa? Parang, ba't nga ba ako nahihirapan? Ba't nga ba ako nandito?
Oh my gosh. So with that, we would like to offer our congratulations sa oath-taking nyo.
Advance congratulations. Sana naayos na yung outfit. Yung hair and makeup, guys. Ano,
True.
gusto niyo yan? Ganyan yan. Effortan nyo. Once in a lifetime moment to.
Oo. Oh my gosh, Marlo, alam mo ba, nakausap ko si Glenn, tapos sabi niya,
Mm.
after the boards, pine-prepare niya na kung ano yung susuotin niya.
Ako
Yung
din.
barong niya. Di ba?
Oh,
So, same-same
iniisip
kami,
ko rin yung
guys.
barong ko. Nagpapanik na ako at saka ano kung paano yung lakad, ano yung tsura ng venue, sinesearch ko na yung mga
I
dating
love it!
o-taking
Oo.
venues.
Eto na yun, guys.
Yeah,
Grabe, we're super, super excited for you.
di ba?
Ilang weeks tayong magkasama weekly. Baka nga yung iba dyan, paulit-ulit nyo kaming inuulit.
Totoo. Kailan yan, guys? Romanticize your journey. Wow.
Yeah, minsan lang. Some
Record,
beses lang.
record. Oo, i-journal nyo yan. Picturean nyo yung sarili nyo kahit iyak-iyak na kayo dyan. Para may babalikan kayo.
Oh,
Parang,
gusto ko
huy, ito
yun.
nga
I
pala
like
yung inayakan ko.
sana ginawa namin yun dati, pero masyado kaming kabado. Ay,
Uy, siya naman kabado doon. Sana buti lang may may taga-picture ako minsan. Ganyan.
oo nga, may
Diyos ko
taga-document
po,
kayo
may
eh.
taga-document kami. Oo, shout out sa mga workmates ko dati. Hindi nyo kami
Oh,
pinabayaan. Hanggang sa documentation na document yung journey
my
namin.
God. So, stalk nyo na
Love
lang po si
them.
Marlo if you wanna see. Sabi ganun.
Ito, check out my Instagram account.
Yes! Ang ating Super Marlo. Ah,
Super Marlo. I like that.
nilabas na. Okay. So that is our special episode for this week. You got this sa inyo na to. Own it. Own your journey. And
To the
if you,
bones,
oo,
guys.
to the bones. To the cellular level, di ba? Yun yung
To the
sabi mo.
cellular level. Oo.
So if you need anything else, just ask. Nandito lang naman kami. As long as we are IDRs, wow.
Tama. See you soon in the profession, colleague. Wow.
Yes!
Fellow interior
Thank
designer.
you. Oo. We are
See you sa
already
general
proud of you.
meeting.
Celebrating you already.
Tama.
Okay. Thank you so much, Marlo, for this special episode. Again and again. Kung may gusto pa kayong topic with Marlo, sabihin niyo lang. Gagawin natin siyang resident guest mo.
Wow,
Resident guest.
kinilig.
Oh my
I'd be
gosh.
glad.
Yes. Thank you
I
so much.
love.
Oh, would you say sobrang generous ni na Marlo and other people we interviewed here for giving everything we need? Grabe. So, thank you so much. See you again.
See you
That's a
guys.
wrap for today's
Congrats.
episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. So, if you are serious about passing, make sure to follow Mindset Magic with Mika so you don't miss an episode. We're here to set you up for success. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mikadoria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.